national event head Ajit to take it forward.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. We welcome you to the second national event of a never before seen public speaking and debating society of HR colleges national level intercollegiate literary arts extravaganza off the cuff. As we now witness the premiere of the second event of this national series, The Funny Bone, a stand up comedy show, I would like to quote the words of Karen Madewell, who said, "To laugh is easy, but to make others laugh is so much more worthwhile." And our participants today, who are budding stand up comics, hailing from different cities across India, have this very talent of making others laugh. After receiving an overwhelming response from not only cities across India but also internationally, we shortlisted the top 15 that have made to the finals today and will be performing before us live. That being said, I would now like to request the presidents of the Public Speaking and Debating Society of HR College and the chairpersons of this event, off the cuff, Ms. Vanshika Mithani and Mr. Manushresh Rao, to address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ajit. I think he did complete justice in encapsulating the enthusiasm that we're all feeling today. Welcome. I am Vanshika Mithani, the chairperson for the year 2021, and I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to Off the Cuff, our PSDS magnum opus, our national intercollegiate literary arts extravaganza. We witnessed an overwhelming response to our first national event, the Talent Night, and the amount of talent left us all in awe. And we're back with the second national event, our stand-up comedy, something we all were eagerly looking forward to. I think the OC is being supremely pumped. This is the filter that they launched is testimony to that. They launched HR College's first national event series filter for this event, and they've been really pumped about it, and it's so good to have. We have the best of the best. We have an esteemed panel of judges that we couldn't be more grateful for, Ms. Zainab and Ms. Pooja. Welcome back to HR College, and I think Off the Cuff 2021 in the format that it's premiered in this year started with a dream, a vision, an aim to make sure that everyone gets a chance to step out of their comfort zone, to express their thoughts and opinions. And usually tests in college are a 2-3 day affair, right? We all are eagerly looking forward to, and the entire organizing committee is working really hard to then put up the event and others participate. And this time we thought, why not come up with a format, and why should we be the ones depriving our own organizing committee of the chance to participate? So instead of doing a 3 day event, we did a 4 month national event series with 5 national level events taking place, so that it helps, it gives students of HR college the opportunity to then organize and participate in the same fest and enhance their resume as well as their communication skills at the same time. So I think that being said, I would like to extend a warm welcome to everyone, to our esteemed panel of judges, our amazingly talented participants. And I think after long, tedious, stressful Zoom calls full of submissions and projects, I think this is one nice breather that we all just sitting together and going to have a good laugh and unwind. This, of course, all credit goes to the OC, Manushresh Rao, the chairperson, will touch up upon all of that and express how grateful we are. That being said, I would like to take the opportunity to then welcome and wish all the participants the very best, and looking forward to another successful national event. Over to you, Manu.
So thank you very much, Vanshika. Like Vanshika said, guys, my name is Manushresh Rao. I'm the other president and chairperson of Off the Cuff this year. I will try not to bore you guys too much, since I know all of us are here for the stand-up event and we're all eagerly waiting for it. But just a few words. I liked how in the beginning Ajit has called me sir. I now expect him to call me sir all the time. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Uh, thank you everyone for coming. Like Vanshika said, the entire team has worked very, very hard for this. We had the dream of Off the Cuff in October, and since then we've been working hard at it till now, and we still have to go till April. So it's really a huge, huge project for all of us. I think even last night, the entire team, the entire OC here was on a Zoom meeting till 2 a.m. trying to figure out the details and everything, and they were working hard. So a huge, huge shout out to the entire OC, the heads, the subheads, and everyone. You guys have done an amazing job. And of course, a huge thank you to both of our judges. I think all of us know that it's so difficult after a while to log on to one Zoom meeting from another and another, and you know, the fact that we have 166, 165 participants here today, I think that's more than sometimes we get even for our college lectures. So that in itself is a testament that we've done something right here today. So thank you to our judges. We hope you'll have an amazing time, and we look forward to your insight. Also, a huge thank you to the backbone of the PSDS club, our teacher in charge, Professor Geeta Sahu, who will be addressing us in the end. And of course, our principal in charge of HR College, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani ma'am. Without her, without both of them, none of this would have been possible. So a huge thank you to both of them. And like Ajit said, we have participants from all over India and even international. So this is a huge, huge event and a huge success. Congratulations to everyone. And I, for one, can't wait to see what happens. And yeah, let's start. Back over to you, Ajit.
Before we proceed, we've been graced with the presence of our principal in charge right here, Pooja Ramchandani ma'am, patiently been waiting for us to finish with our speeches. Thank you, ma'am. So good to have you here. Ma'am is, like Manu said, the whole and soul. We've every idea that we put forth to ma'am is been so supportive, and she's the reason we could upscale PSDS this year, and we could launch a national event series. Without ma'am's guidance and unwavering support, I don't think any of this would be possible. So Pooja ma'am, I think we can't say this enough. We say this each event, and still not doing justice to what we feel and not encapsulating how grateful we are. Thank you so much for everything, Pooja ma'am. Pooja ma'am was so excited about the event, and that really boosts our enthusiasm, because we have 5 national events. So we were looking forward to this one, but see Pooja ma'am's enthusiasm, it gave us renewed energy. So thank you, Pooja ma'am. Even though we're not meeting
Thank you.
physically, you smiling in our Zoom call window really, really encourages us to push our boundaries and do our best. So
Thank you,
so
dear.
much, Pooja
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you. My pleasure. I think PSDS has taken this very, very unique program, which is, yes, they go do programs on public speaking, debating, and now stand-up comedy was something that they came up and called me and said, can we go about it? And I said, sure. I think Sunday is the best day that you have chosen in the afternoon after everybody has finished their lunch and you've given them a platform. Excellent ideas. I think ideas, we are the ones, we say we encourage. You give us ideas and we will give you platform to implement it. And this is where HR college students, PSDS team is working on. Look at them, everyone is well suited in the Zoom call. Sunday afternoon doesn't look like Sunday afternoon for them. All in their suits and boots, in their cameras, on their Zoom lectures. Yes, the life last 1 year has been a little difficult one for them also. But I think hats off to the team of PSDS who have came up with this. I don't know, where do they get these ideas from? You just give them, you just talk to them on the phone and they would have already had 3-4 ideas already done. And I have to only say, okay, 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 that's it. They don't give me any chance to say, no, Baba, don't do this, don't do that. And this is where I feel proud. Yes, as Vanshika said, that my dream is that everyone in HR should speak. And when they go out in the job market, everybody should say, when HR it come to us, they speak, and they just don't speak, but they speak well, they speak properly, they speak whatever is required. And that's where PSDS has taken them. And today, on a lighter side, they have come up with this stand-up comedy. And Varun was calling me, Vanshika was calling me that I'll address at the end, but they are smarter kids. They catch hold of me on the camera. I said, I'll just quietly enjoy the program. But Vanshika is very bad. She keeps a check on who is joining in and who is not. And she caught me here. But all the best. Looking forward to a beautiful, wonderful stress buster for next 1 hour. All the participants, all the best. I know my team has already worked hard, and welcome to all the judges who have come in. And 1 hour, no principal, no PSDS. We all are equal, and let's the journey begin for a smiling faces all over. So all 165, all the best for keep smiling. And I'm sure PSDS has worked on it, and they will make you smile. So all the best to you.
Thank you so
I
much.
just want to say that all of y'all should worship your principal. I have been parts of many inter-college festivals, and I have not seen a principal tell people that, okay, yeah, go ahead and make jokes. Thank you, Pooja, ma'am. You're extremely, extremely sweet.
Thank you, Zainab. Thank you. Lovely having
How
you here.
fun. Thank
And
you. Thank
I
you so much.
promise you that PSDS would have worked on something because they are very, very smart, intelligent planners. You won't realize for next 1 or 1.5 hours, you won't even realize that the time has gone, and you will tell them
Oh,
when is the next event. I'm telling you.
I
That
am
is the
thoroughly looking forward to it. Like you said, this is the perfect Sunday afternoon plan. I mean, not only
yes,
do I get to watch comedy, but also do I get to have an opinion on it. It's fantastic.
yes, yes. So all the
Extremely
best.
so.
Yes. So over to I think Vanshika or who's taking over?
I'll take over.
Yes, ma'am. We have Ajit here, our event head. So over to you, Ajit. Let's set the ball rolling.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your address and for your encouragement. All the best to all the participants. Now, I would like to hand over to my colleague, Debolina.
Thank you, Ajit. I would now, I would now like to introduce our esteemed judge panel for the day. Our first judge is Ms. Zainab Habib. She's a writer and a comic from Mumbai. She studied journalism and is now a stand-up comic, which, as she says, is like the career path of most journalists these days. She's also an alumni of our college. She recently made it to the top of Comedy Central's show, Sterling Reserve Comedy Project Season 2. Ma'am, it's a pleasure to have you with us. I would like to invite Ms. Zainab to share a few words.
It is so fun to be amongst people from HR again. I was on that side not very long ago, and it's really really nice. When I got the email from HR college, I was like, why is college messaging me after all these years? Like, I was trying to remember if they still have any of my mark sheets, and I was like, no, this is different. You guys are so adorable. I have not been to any event where the kids have taken effort to like put themselves in suits and everything before the show. It's fantastic. It speaks volumes about the kind of effort that has gone into it and how seriously y'all have taken this. Let's not take it seriously at all anymore. Just sit back, have fun. At the end of the day, it's a comedy show. Relax. I am very, very excited. I am a super judgmental person anyway, so I can't wait to judge. Are the participants? I hope the participants are nervous. I'm very mean. I'm kidding. Don't worry about it. Have a blast.
We are just as excited to have you with us. Our next judge, our next judge is Ms. Pooja Natarajan. She's an improviser, a stand-up comedian, and a corporate lawyer. She has been doing comedy in its various forms and practicing law for 4 years. She's an improviser with the Mumbai-based troupe No Script Attached. She recently featured on TV as a contestant on the second season of the Sterling Reserve Comedy Project on Comedy Central. We are elated to have you here with us today. I would like to invite Ms. Pooja to share a few words with us.
Hi, thank you so much for having me here. It was a very lovely introduction, which I wrote for myself, of course. I'm not bragging. And thank you again. And it's been a very long time since I've done anything related to college events. I'm feeling quite nostalgic. And I went to Government Law College, which is a few streets away from HR. about 4 years ago. And I was always in awe of HR college. I always thought, I wish I could be in HR, but the closest I could get to HR while doing law was Casey. Let's just end the story right there. So anyway, I'm very excited to be here, and good luck to all the participants. Please have fun, and let's have a good time.
Sure.
Pooja, we have started
Ma'am, it's
master's
an honor to
program.
have you here.
Please join.
I would like.
I'm saying, Pooja, we have started many more master's program. So you
Okay.
please are welcome. Come down to HR.
Sure, ma'am. I'll definitely take a look.
Yes.
Is this a recruitment show? I just want to know if should I have carried something.
No. It's no. It's only getting more and more brand ambassadors for HR.
Splendid.
Yes.
I would like my colleague Nandini to take over from here.
Thank you, Debarina. Before we begin, I would like to briefly explain the event guidelines to you all. Participants are advised to adhere to the 3-minute time limit. Performances exceeding the aforementioned time limit will be marked negatively. Participants must refrain from using any inappropriate or offensive content such as profanity, vulgar language, vulgar themes, double meaning jokes, sexual themes, disrespect towards any college faculty member or fellow peers, hurting religious or cultural sentiments or plagiarism. Any use of the above mentioned don'ts will lead to immediate disqualification, and PSDS Club will not be held accountable for any such behavior. The chat box will be opened to the audience to cheer for any of the participants performing in the event. However, any use of crass or inappropriate language or misconduct will lead to immediate removal from the meet. We shall now begin with the performances. It's not my job to stand up here, rather sit here and bore you, but it is my job to introduce you to people who will. So, welcoming our first performer who has been in the field of comedy for 3+ years now and does podcasts on YouTube called Sincerely Funny. Enough bragging. Let's hear it for Gaurav Ahir.
Thank you so much. Yes, you are सही बोला उसने. Dude, उसने मेरे को कॉल किया था 2 दिन पहले and she is like, तेको तेरा इंट्रो भेजना पड़ेगा मेरे को. And I'm like, क्यों भेजना है? She is like, क्योंकि तू funny नहीं है bro, क्योंकि तू famous नहीं है. And I'm like, dude, ऐसे मुंह पे बेइज्जती नहीं करते ना bro, तू माँ थोड़ी है मेरी. काफी बकचोदी. So मेरा टाइम स्टार्ट है क्या अभी? Hello.
हाँ, start हो गया time.
Thank you.
Yes,
So
yes.
my dad is Maharashtrian. Okay, so like basically my dad is Maharashtrian. ऐसा नहीं है कि वही Maharashtrian है. Like मैं भी था मेरे 10th तक. फिर मेरे को मेरे 10th में अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए. And मेरे डैड फिर गुस्सा हो गए. तेरे को अच्छे मार्क्स कैसे आए? तेरे को अच्छे मार्क्स आ कैसे सकते? मुझे कभी नहीं आए. I'm like dad, उसके लिए पहले स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. ओके, मेरे डैड नहीं समझते. मेरे डैड है थोड़े पागल. The thing is no like मेरे डैड और मैं सेम जिम जाते हैं. Like मेरे डैड और मैं सेम जिम जाते हैं. मैं वहां पे जिम में जाकर डंबल्स मारता हूँ. मेरे डैड जिम में बिहारी मारते हैं. ओके, he is a very pro Maharashtrian. It's very the thing is no यार मेरे डैड है शिवसेना से. ओके, मेरे डैड है शिवसेना से. ओके, तो सीन ऐसे हुआ था ना कि 5 साल पहले सीएसटी में प्रोटेस्ट चालू था. ओके, लाइक 5 साल पहले सीएसटी में प्रोटेस्ट चालू था. तो मेरे डैड वहां पे गए और दोस्तों के साथ उन्होंने वहां पे बस जला दी. और मेरे को कॉल करते बोलते, गौरव सुन हमने यहाँ पे बस जला दी. आई एम लाइक ठीक है, पर अब तू घर कैसा आएगा? डूड, इसीलिए तो मराठी आदमी आगे नहीं जा पा रहा ब्रो. आगे जाने के लिए बस है ही नहीं. डूड, काफी बकचोदी होती है यार लाइफ में. तो उसका सीन ऐसे हुआ ना यार कि आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड पोएट्स. ओके, मुझे लगता है ना यार पोएट्स लोगों का लाइफ में कुछ ज्यादा ही ब्रेकअप हो चुका है. ओके, मुझे लगता है. Recently I performed in the Somaya College. Okay, recently I performed in the Somaya College in the front of 300 people's auditorium. और मेरे सामने 10 लोग बैठे थे. उनको नहीं मालूम था कि शो हो रहा है. ओके, तो एक बंदा था, लाइक मैं भागते गया. एक बंदा स्टेज पे परफॉर्म कर रहा था. ओके, ऑडियंस के आंखों से आंसू आ रहे थे. ऑडियंस इमोशनल हो गई थी यार. मैंने ऑर्गेनाइजर को बोला, यार कितना अच्छा पोएट है यार ये. ऑर्गेनाइजर बोलता है नहीं ये तो हमारा फर्स्ट कॉमिक है. आई डूड, मेरे को तो इधर परफॉर्म नहीं करना. ओके, उसके बाद सीन में सामना एक बंदे का ब्रेकअप हुआ था. ओके, लाइक एक बंदे का ब्रेकअप हुआ था. वो भागते भागते स्टेज पे आया और लाइक पोएट्री पढ़ रहा था. वो थी ही ऐसी. कहती थी बहुत प्यार करती है, पर दिल कुचल के चली गई. ऑडियंस में से एक बंदी खड़ी हो गई और बोली, मैंने ऐसे कुछ नहीं बोला था, कुछ भी मत बोल तू. ये देख मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट है मैंने क्या बोला था। डूड कुछ अगले ओपन में वो बंदी आके परफॉर्म कर रही थी, काफी बकचोदी होती है डूड। लास्ट जोक थिंग इज लाइक मुझे लगता है ना यार इंडिया में कुछ भी हो रहा है। लाइक रिसेंटली लॉकडाउन में क्या हुआ मालूम है? रिसेंटली लॉकडाउन में बिहार में जितने भी गाय है ना, उन्होंने बिहार की सारी फसल खा ली, तो बिहार के सारे हिंदू मुस्लिम फार्मर्स ने गायों को बहुत मारा और स्कूलों में बंद कर दिया। दैट टाइम पूरा इंडिया टेंशन में था कि गायों का क्या होगा, गायों का क्या होगा। पर दैट टाइम आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी क्योंकि बिहार में कोई तो स्कूल जा रहा है। Thank you guys, that's my time, lovely audience. My name is Gaurav. I love you all. Okay, thank you guys. So yeah, I have a podcast on YouTube. काफी मजा है. So you can follow me on Insta, Tinder, Twitter, Bumble, सब पे कर सकते हो. ID is gaurav.comic. Thank you guys, love you.
That was amazing, Gaurav. We'll definitely follow you everywhere. All right. So let's welcome our next performer, all set to tickle your funny bones. Presenting Divyanshu Sharma. Hi Divyanshu.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम दिव्यांशु शर्मा और मैं हूँ दिल्ली से। तो आजकल ना बहुत प्रकार की पागलपंतियां चल रही है दुनिया में। कोई पागलों की तरह गोल्डन बाल करवा रहा है, कोई नियॉन कलर के शूज पहन रहा है और कोई तो टिकटॉक पे पागलपंतियां कर रहा है। पर आजकल पागलपंतियों में ना एक चीज कुछ ज्यादा सुपरसोनिक चल रही है, वो है स्ट्रीक बनाना। स्नैपचैट पे ना हर कोई मेरे को आजकल मैसेज कर जा रहा है कि भाई स्ट्रीक बनानी। मैं क्यों बनानी है, इतना वेला टाइम है ही नहीं। मेरे को सुबह उठ के फिर से सोना होता है, फिर मेरे को अपना खाना खाना होता है ताकि मैं अपना और मोटापा बढ़ा सकूं। मेरे को अपने बालों की जुएं निकालनी होती है। यार मेरे पास वेला टाइम नहीं है। पर ना ये लोग ना स्ट्रीक में कोई सूझी हुई चीज नहीं भेजते। या तो ये काली स्क्रीन भेज देंगे, तुम्हें अपने घर का बेडरूम भेज देंगे, पंखा भेज देंगे या दरवाजा भेज देंगे। तो यार तुम्हें क्या लगता है मेरे पास घर में ये सब है नहीं क्या? मैं फुटपाथ पे सोता हूँ कुत्तों को कडल करते हुए? नहीं, तुम्हें सोचना चाहिए ना कि क्या भेज रहे हो। माना यार स्नैपचैट बहुत ही अच्छा ऐप है जो तुम्हारी गंदी सी शक्ल को ना बहुत ही सुंदर मलाई बर्फी ऐसा कर देता है। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम स्ट्रीट पे पागलपंती करने लगे हो, है ना। मैंने भी ऐसे सोच के स्नैपचैट डाउनलोड किया था। मैंने फोटो खींची एक बार, मेरे को यार क्या तोड़ फोटो आई है, मजा ही आ गया मेरे को। तो मैंने सीधा करी इंस्टाग्राम पे अपलोड। फिर मैं गया मुंह हाथ धोने। मैंने एक शीशे में ऐसी चीज देख ली जिसको देख के मेरी रूह ही कांपी। मैं 2 मिनट तक सुन खड़ा हुआ, तो ये क्या देख लिया मैंने, इससे अच्छा तो रोड ही देख लेता। तो मैंने ध्यान से चेक किया, वो तो मेरी शक्ल निकली। मैंने कहा यार इतनी गंदी शक्ल है। तो मेरे को डाउट पड़ गया कि या तो ये वाली शक्ल सच्ची है या फिर स्नैपचैट वाली सच्ची है। तो मैंने सोचा यार स्नैपचैट वाली सही है, स्नैपचैट वाली मान लेते। तो मिरर को नहीं अच्छी लगी ये बात। मिरर को मतलब वो तो ऑफेंड ही हो गया कि भाई यार ये इसमें इतना एटीट्यूड क्या है कि अपनी शक्ल ही नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर पा रहा। उसने तो भाई मेरा कॉलर पकड़ लिया वहीं पे, कह रहा ओए तेरे को तब तक नहीं जाने देना मैंने जब तक तू मानेगा नहीं कि ये तेरी गंदी शक्ल है। इस वहम से दूर हो जा कि तेरे को चाटे मरने पड़ जाएंगे मेरे को। तो मैंने कहा कि ठीक है भाई ये सब छोड़ दे, तू माफ कर मेरे को, मैं जा रहा। मैं अच्छी बात है तुम स्ट्रीक बनाओ, मैं स्ट्रीक के बिल्कुल भी खिलाफ नहीं। पर यार तुम कोई अच्छी सी शक्ल तो भेजो। तुम अपना 300 किलो का फिल्टर लगा के फोटो भेज दो, तुम्हारी गली में 2 आंटियों की लड़ाई चल रही है उसकी वीडियो बना के भेज दो, कम से कम मनोरंजन तो होगा। यहाँ पे 70% जो लोग बैठे हैं ना वो बिग बॉस देखने वाले, तो उनको मजा आता है कलेश देखने में। तो ऐसे ही कलेश दिखाओ ना तुम। कभी 2 लोगों की लड़ाई हो रही है, डंडे वंडे बज रहे हैं एक दूसरे पे, तो वीडियो बनाओ और वो भेजो, कम से कम मजा तो आएगा। और भाई साहब इंस्टाग्राम पे भी ना कुछ अलग ही लेवल का पागलपन चल रहा है। इंस्टाग्राम पे लोग डालते हैं 300 किलो की फिल्टर के साथ फोटो, तो लोग देखते कि और कितनी सुंदर लड़की है ये, कितना सुंदर लड़का है, और असलियत में जब मिलेंगे तो वो टिंडे ऐसी शक्ल निकलेगी। तो भाई साहब ये सच्चाई है। तो ये मेरा मैसेज था जनहित में जारी। नमस्ते, थैंक यू।
That was amazing, Divyanshu, and I'm never coloring my hair again or using any filter now. Moving ahead, everything our next participant likes in life is either illegal, expensive, or taken. Oh wait, it's just taken. He's grateful that he got to be on TV in a pandemic. Not that any of us saw him, but let's believe that he was. Getting pinners on our screens next is Nathan Gomes.
Okay, thank you guys so much. I don't want to waste any more time. Before I begin, can you guys say hi?
Who?
All right, lovely, thank you. So my name is Nathan Gomes, as my Gujarati friends like to call me Nathuram Gomse. I'm actually Catholic, but I'm not from Goa. I don't play football, and I'm not going to try to convert you. I studied in an SSC school, and I've noticed when you study in an SSC school, right, you learn this brilliant, amazing thing in life called nothing. The only thing you learn in an SSC school is shamelessly telling others you studied in an SSC school. But dude, I come from a typical Christian family from Bombay, man. Typical. If we had to go for a family holiday, it would be two places: one Goa, two Goa. Dude, I have visited Goa so much, I can call it my past. Yeah, for me, going to Goa is like going to the fridge in my house. I go with expectations, come back with regrets and cashew nuts. Yeah, for you guys, Goa might be a.
Bro, fuck off, bro.
Dude, I've been to Goa so much, I don't even call my father Baba, I call him Baga. It's going great. Like, dude, typical Christian family. If you had to order food, also two things: one butter chicken, two butter chicken. Dude, I've eaten so much of butter chicken. My favorite cricket team is now Kings 11 Mini Punjab.
Yes, butter chicken, bro.
I've gained so much of weight in the lockdown. If I have to be casted in the movie 300, it would be called 302.5. For fat people, weight loss is like happiness, just an illusion. Dude, I'm such a big foodie, I can actually smell what the Rock is cooking. It's going great. But before I don't really have much time, I just want to quickly do some one-liners for you guys because I really like you guys and you guys have done a great job with the organizing. You know, in school, I had a friend named Abdullah, right? And Abdullah was a big Eminem fan and Abdullah wanted to be like Eminem himself. I used to call him Slim Shady. I never do jokes on vowels because I'm scared if it doesn't work, then I guess I will have to owe you an apology. You guys know who Salt Bay is? Salt Bay. Did you guys know that India also had its original Salt Bay? And his birthday is on 2nd October. But considering, I really have a lot of respect for him, but considering how skinny and light he was, he should have been called Feather of the Nation. I never do jokes. I like doing jokes on Akon because I guess that would make him feel less lonely. You know, sometimes I wonder in Kashmir, do they play stone, paper, scissors or only a stone? You know, guys, have you guys watched Jurassic Park? Did you guys know that if Jurassic Park opened in India, could you guys imagine what would happen? You know, if the park had to open in India, that park would be owned by a very rich family. And that family would change the name from Jurassic Park to Georassic Park. You know, once on a piece of paper, I wrote a joke on happiness. I couldn't find it. I also have a joke on the coronavirus. I hope you guys get it. You guys have been fantastic. My name is Nathan. You bring it on. Bring back your host. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you, Nathan. That was hilarious. You killed it. Also, the comment sections are going crazy for you. And some people did unmute themselves in the middle of the performance. My earnest request, please don't do it. Our finalists have worked hard for their performance. Don't ruin it for them. You can give your idea, your reactions in the chat box, which is enabled especially for the audience. Someone rightly said, without a sense of humor, life would be boring. And that someone happens to be our next performer, Khushi Chadba. Such wise sayings, really. Otherwise, what could have gotten us through like humanity's biggest pandemic other than laughing at it? So since we are still in the pandemic, let's share some more laughs with our next participant, Khushi Chadba. Welcome, Khushi.
Hi guys, I was born and brought up in Mumbai and आपको पता होगा कि बॉम्बे के लोग है ना बहुत अच्छे हैं, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे हैं. यहाँ पे आप गाड़ी चलाओ ना तो यहाँ पे आप रोड रेज नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, रोड रेज के लिए दो चीजें चाहिए, पहला रोड और दूसरे की जरूरत नहीं है, रोड ही चाहिए वैसे तो मतलब बट एक रेयर मोमेंट आया लाइफ में जब आई शोड रोड रेज. मैं अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ गाड़ी में थी और वो राइट इंडिकेटर देके लेफ्ट जा रही थी, लेफ्ट इंडिकेटर देके राइट जा रही थी. तो मैंने कहा क्या कर रही है यार, मरवाएगी क्या? एंड शी इज लाइक नहीं मैं तो इंडिकेटर इसके लिए दे रही हूँ ताकि पीछे वाला समझ सके कि उसको कहाँ जाना है. गाइस उसके पास है ना 2032 तक का लाइसेंस है, लाइसेंस टू ड्राइव नहीं, लाइसेंस टू किल. ओके, but this entire city now if you come here it looks like one unapologetic episode of Mad Max Fury Road. हर जगह पे devastation है, हर जगह पे साइन लिखा है work in progress, inconvenience is regretted. With that inconvenience I understand, हाँ inconvenience तो बहुत है, बाकी वो progress regret वो सब तो अभी कोरोना के क्वालिटी में जैसा है यार, वो अभी संजय मांजरेकर के कमेंट्री जैसा है. वो क्यों है मुझे नहीं पता क्यों है. वो हर जगह पे लिखा है men at work. Have you guys ever seen those men? Someone needs to tell the authorities that the men have left. Now they are driving Uber and complaining about having no roads. सर्कल ऑफ लाइफ है guys, सर्कल ऑफ लाइफ. तो अभी हमारा यूएसपी रोड्स तो नहीं है, बट हमारा यूएसपी है ट्रैफिक. एवरीवन स्टक इन ट्रैफिक, irrespective of your caste, creed, religion, irrespective of who you are stuck in traffic. It's like a massive breakup. Nobody is moving on only, guys. Nobody. और कभी कभी तो एकदम कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है कि मतलब मैं ट्रैफिक में अटकी हूँ या मैं पार्किंग लॉट में अटकी हूँ, मैं कहाँ हूँ. बट मैं बॉम्बे के ट्रैफिक को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर रही. मैं मुझे लगता है कि बहुत लाइफ लेसन्स है बॉम्बे के ट्रैफिक से. irrespective of the criticism it gets, it is unmoved, guys. It is unmoved. So cheers for Bombay traffic, guys. Cheers for Bombay traffic. And because अभी बॉम्बे का ट्रैफिक एलिवेट करने के लिए हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने लोकल ट्रेन चालू कर दी है. मुझे लोकल ट्रेन से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, खाली एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि वहां पे ना अगर आपको बोर्ड करना हो किसी लोकल ट्रेन को, तो वहाँ पे एक अनरिटन रूल्स होते हैं जो आपको फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं. अगर आपको पता नहीं होना तो लोग बहुत पागल हो जाते हैं, मतलब बहुत गुस्सा करता है आप पे. तो मैंने अभी एक अंधेरी के लिए ट्रेन लिया और एक आंटी ने मुझे पूछा कि ए कहाँ जाना है, एंड आई एम लाइक अंधेरी. तो शी इज लाइक पहले बताना यार, वहां पे जाके खड़ी हो. एंड आई एम लाइक पहले कभी ट्रेन में चढ़ने से पहले, टिकट खरीदने से पहले या ब्रश करने से पहले सीधा सुबह उठ के अंधेरी 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 बोलूं. थैंक यू गाइस, दैट्स बीन माय टाइम. यू बीन अ लवली ऑडियंस. थैंक यू.
That was hilarious, Khushi, and I'm already scared to come to Mumbai now. Next participant believes that everyone should be self-aware and have opinion on things and not just exist, but live their life. She loves music and coffee and is also addicted to her phone. Well, who's not? She has also been working as an intern for startups since a year. Finally, someone who actually understands what to send when asked for a proper introduction. I'm very impressed. Give it up for Harsha Makhija.
Thank you. That was Khushi, and I am Gum. So please don't disqualify me for this. Firstly, thank you guys for actually picking me, because I made some jokes about online events. But shout out PSDS team for being such a good sport, because people in India can't take jokes. Apparently, they get offended on literally everything. And being a woman, I'm pretty sure if I joke about women, some women activists is gonna come at me and be like, "Hey, being a woman, how can you joke about women? औरत ही औरत का दुश्मन है, anti-feminist." And you are literally proving my point by saying being a woman, how can you joke about women? This argument is equivalent to arguing to any Indian parent. Like, the logic is missing, guys. It's like arguing to my dad. The only comeback that he has is like, "Isi din ke liye bada kiya tha na tumhe." This is like the stupidest argument I've ever been in. And believe me, I've been in a lot of stupid arguments. Shout out my ex. But saying that, let's just enough about my dad. Let's talk about my mom. My mom has this weird habit of like blaming everything on me. So in every situation, whatever happens, my first thought is, it's your fault. And I took it too far this one time when my ex cheated on me. I was like, kahin na kahin meri bhi galti thi yaar. And my friends get so offended on that, and they're like, why are you doing this to yourself? Like, bro, kya level ka tera guilt chalu hai? It's really bad. And I didn't even realize this. I used to do this a lot. Even when I was younger, I was 6 or something. I was dancing on this pillow for some reason. It was like silk sheet, and like I slipped on it and I hit my head on the edge of the bed, and I started bleeding a lot. So my brother saw me and started crying. And my first thing I said to him was like, "Please, mom, ko mat bata. Do you think she'll notice?" As I'm drowning in blood. And he's like, "Do you think she'll notice?" And I got like 10 to 12 stitches, and I peed my pants that day. But everyone else's mom is like so super nice to me. Like, they are too nice at some point. Like, apne hi ghar mein इज्जत नहीं मिलती है सिर्फ. This one in December, like my best friend and I, we got into an accident, and she got really shocked and she fainted. So even in the rickshaw, I called her mom up, and I'm like crying literally, and I'm like, I called her, and her mom was like, "Hello beta, kaise ho? Itne din se ghar kyun nahi aaya?" And I'm like, "Auntie, this is not the time to make small talk. Read the room. Like, your daughter is not breathing and all." That's it from me, guys. Thank you. I'm Harsha Makhija.
That was absolutely hilarious, Harsha. So we did ask our performers to give an introduction, and you guys need to hear this. This is what our next performer said. I was asked to talk about my beliefs and achievements, but my only belief is I don't like to talk about my achievements. Wow. You know what, guys? He's the main character in life and we are all his sidekicks. We are supposed to only clap for him. So let's welcome our overachiever, Adit Herga.
Hi guys. I'll be honest, okay? I have modeled my set on the most popular national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Arnab Goswami, where basically मैं तुम लोग को jokes, मैं तुम लोग को news बोलूँगा and तुम लोग hopefully उस पे हंसोगे. Okay, and पहला news is about him only. I'm sure you all are aware of his recent bribery scandal, which got me thinking. It made me think that, you know what, maybe Arnab Goswami and Rakhi Sawant are more alike than people think. Because दोनों टीआरपी के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. I mean, think about it. राखी सावंत ने टीआरपी के लिए लाइव टीवी पे खुद का स्वयंवर किया और अर्नब ने टीआरपी के लिए अपने मॉरल कंपास से डिवोर्स ले लिया. So if you think about it, not that different after all. And guys, internationally भी बहुत न्यूज चल रहा है आजकल. Johnny Depp was officially labeled a wife beater for assaulting his Australian wife Amber Heard. Some people supported him, some people went against him. But a little known fact is that Ajinkya Rahane, the Indian Test captain, actually called Johnny Depp after the 36 all-out fiasco, just because he wanted some tips on how to beat the Australian. And if you're talking about this series, how can we not talk about Cheteshwar Pujara, man? What a player, man. What a player. Wow. He's a prime example that if you keep at it, if you keep going when the going gets tough, if you persevere when the times are rough, you will just watch a young guy like Rishabh Pant come in and take all the credit for defeating the opposition. I'm sure LK Advani can relate. Yeah, and you know what? Oh, I'm sorry. I might have definitely offended someone with that joke. And I don't want to get arrested like Munawar. I don't want to get cancelled like Rihanna. So you know what, guys? Safe खेलते थोड़ा. I'll tell you about some personal news. Because खुद पे तो joke मार ही सकते हैं. I'm hopeful. So guys, if I'm being honest, मैं थोड़े समय से एक long distance relationship में रहा हूँ. मेरे तन्हाई के साथ. Long distance because we don't really meet as much, but when we do, it's intense as hell. So my friend told me, bro, तू क्या करना? तू Bumble install कर. Bumble, the dating app, install कर तू और देख. बस देख तेरी जिंदगी में क्या होता है, तू देख बस. And guys, spoiler alert, मैंने देख लिया रे. मतलब मैं पहले भी सिंगल था, अभी भी सिंगल हूँ, सिर्फ एक inferiority complex फ्री में मिल गया मतलब. And I probably know the reason why. Okay, it's because of my acne. I mean, as you can see, my acne is pretty bad. My acne is so bad that if I played in the IPL, I'd win the Breakout Player of the Year award. And of course, I probably know why my acne is like this too. Is because I hate drinking water. मेरे को याद ही नहीं होता यार पानी पीना है. And so let's get things straight. If you don't really like drinking water, you end up with skin like mine. But if you love drinking water, if you call yourself a watch a baby, then you end up with skin like Shri Devi's. So you tell me which one you'd prefer. So currently, I guess there are two mysteries in my life. One is मेरा skin इतना खराब क्यों है? And second is Kangana Ranaut tweet करने के पहले क्या फूकती है, bro? I mean, have you seen her tweets recently? She calls herself a right-wing role model, and I agree. Because after looking at her tweets, I'm a complete fan of the current government. Especially its one policy which it has been implementing over the years. Because after reading her tweets, I realized that, you know what? Maybe all the people in this country don't deserve all their rights after all. So that's been my time, guys. Thank you so much.
That was hysterical, Adit. And you already had me at Arnab Goswami, by the way. Our next gentleman is 18 and loves making wrong decisions and later regretting them, but then making them again. When life throws lemon at him, he attaches mirchi to it. And I have no idea what are we supposed to do with that information about him. But anyway, let's hear it for Shams Zaman. Is Shams there?
Yes, he is there.
All right.
All right. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, your time
Hi,
is
Shams.
starting.
Yeah,
Shams.
we can hear you.
Yeah, okay. So my name is Shams and I'm 18. So people who don't know me find me quite sympathetic. I don't know why. Maybe it's got to do something with my aura or something. But people who actually know me, they actually know how much of a simp and pathetic person I am. You know. So चलो आज doctors की बात करते हैं. I kind of hate doctors now. Maybe it's because I'm an engineer, but or maybe it's because they get paid before even doing their job. You know. अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है? तुम लोग का भी screen blackout हुआ है क्या?
It's fine, Shams. Go ahead.
No, we can see you, Shams.
We can see you, Shams. You go on.
अच्छा ठीक है. So मैं कहा था. Okay, they get paid before even doing their job, and engineers वहाँ पर they don't even have jobs. और उनके पास उनके बारे में एक weird fact ये है कि doctors है ना, they have the right to touch you wherever they want, and they don't know anything about consent. Like 5 साल MBBS में क्या किया जब consent नहीं पढ़ा तुमने? तो थोड़ा यार इस उनकी बात है. और अभी लॉकडाउन की बात करते हैं. अभी लॉकडाउन हुआ, मम्मी के साथ काफी ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड हुआ. So I used to get lonely most of the times I was lonely. So I used to visit my barber a lot of time. Actually, I think I spent almost 2 to 3 months in my barber's cabin or salon, whatever they call it. Because उसके पास जाओ ना, वो तुम्हें मोटिवेट करने लग जाता था यार. उसके पास जाओ, it doesn't matter कि your t-shirt smells like shit or you haven't even taken a bath in like a week. You reek of dirt, or it doesn't even matter there. They accept you for who you really are. You know, it's like getting a head on by a therapist. वो लोग तो मतलब मोटिवेट करेंगे यार कि भाई हीरो लग रहा है यार तू, कि हीरो लग रहा है. या फिर they'll be like भाई माशाल्लाह, उर्दू के लफ्ज आने लगते हैं उनके मुंह से भाई. They'll be like चलो छोड़ो, let's not deviate from the topic. Okay. Have you guys ever taken a homeopathic medicine? You know, those drops. Yeah. उसके मैंने compositions recently पढ़े हैं, ठीक है. तो उसमें था 90% alcohol. So the first question that popped into my head it was कि भाई medicine कहाँ है? ये लोग ने तो दारू का ठेका ले रखा है. 90% medicine और taste भी बुरे नहीं है, तो बाकी बचे 10% को कोक या पैगी होना पड़ेगा ना. So that's been my time, guys.
Thank you, Shaman. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, Debulina, go ahead.
Thank you so much. That was an amazing performance. His name sounds like he stepped out straight from a Rajshri production movie. Yes, you guessed this right. Our next performer is called Prem. Prem would like us to know that he's an athlete. He likes to run away from his responsibilities, ambitions, goals. So, it's so nice to have you. Let's present Prem Suthar.
Hi guys, I'm Prem, and right now if you're going Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, then congratulations, you're a certified Indian. Some things about me: I have OCD. OCD, for the unknown, is a type of trait that people with no personality attach to themselves. We all have OCD. Some have it at a low level, some at a high level, but there exist exceptions as well. People who don't have OCD, there's a term for that. Wait. Yeah, psychopaths. As you can see, I have weird teeth. So I went to the dentist to remove one of them cause who wants wisdom? Hail memes. I went to a good dentist, and here, good implies a really expensive one. Like at the end, I had to give her half of my dad's property. I mean, really, dowry is less expensive. After the payment, she requests me to follow her clinic's page on Facebook. To that, I say, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No. So I told her that I'm not on Facebook. And as soon as I said that, I hear a crack. Normally, I smoke a crack, but this time I heard one. It was the sound of expectations breaking down. Next, her husband says he might be on Insta. And I reply, no, I'm not on Insta as well. They both were crushed, like almost dead. Generally, I don't have any privacy at home. I keep my net off, log out of Insta at all times. But I have a trick to keep stuff private. It's really awesome. The trick is to not get in any relationship and stay single forever. And I'm quite good at it. I rarely read news because apparently being apolitical is cool. You shouldn't read news from one source because it could be biased. So you should opt for 2 to 3 sources so you get 2 to 3 biased opinions. I once felt like wasting my time. So I watched Indian matchmaking. Indian matchmaking, like Marvel and DC, exists in a universe that is untouched by Tinder, Insta, Snapchat, or for that matter, sensible humans. Here's a one liner. How did Captain America ask for the Mjolnir from Thor? He said, "Give it to me, I'm worth it." I would like to end this set with this beautiful quote by Prem Lee. Don't pray for an easy life. Pray that no one files an FIR on me for this set. Thank you.
You just called me a sycophant, but that was a hysterical performance. Our next contestant is a Punjabi and not a farmer. He believes in speaking his mind, but doesn't mind what he speaks. Wait, what? The one thing you were supposed to do was to tell us about your cess, Danish. Never mind. Let's give it up for Danish Malhotra.
So guys, thanks Nandini for the introduction. As she's already told you, I'm a Punjabi and that too not a very rich one. और ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन है ना बड़ा गलत है क्योंकि एज अ पंजाबी शो ऑफ करना अपना हक है, ऐश करना अपना हक है, लेकिन ऐश के लिए भी कैश चाहिए जो कभी होता नहीं है। जैसे जब आईफोन 12 रिलीज हुआ मैंने 10x बुक करा लिया, जब नई मर्सिडीज निकली मैंने बुलेट ले लिया, और जब कनाडा जाने की बात आई तो मुंबई आ गया। एंड व्हेन आई गॉट फर्स्ट आई एडेड टू द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ऑफ द क्लास ना, ऐसा लग रहा सब घर से दोस्ती करके आए, कोई 5 मुंबई से हैं, कोई 3 भोपाल से, हर जगह से एक्सेप्ट पंजाब। आई जस्ट टाइप्ड हाय गाइस आई एम पंजाबी एंड आई went away and nobody bothered to reply because क्यों करेंगे। and then 5 मिनट में एक लड़की का अजमेर से टेक्स्ट आता है, dude we've got to go out to party man, and I was like good evening to you too, but डाउट मुझे इस बात पे हुआ कि उस बंदे ने 2 वर्ड्स आई एम पंजाबी से मेरे हाथ में ब्लैक लेबल की बोतल और एक हाथ में लाइट बल्ब इमेजिन कर ही लिया था। एंड शी फॉलोज अप विद द क्वेश्चन, सो हाउ मेनी काउज डू यू हैव? एंड आई वाज लाइक ये कैसा सवाल है, मतलब तू राजस्थान से है, मैंने तो उन्हें पूछा कितने कैमल है तेरे पास। मैं हो गया फ्रस्ट्रेट, बट बंदी ने नहीं गिव अप किया, कहती आप तो रोज बटर चिकन खाते होगे, ओएमजी ओएमजी ओएमजी। एंड आई वाज लाइक बहन गोभी मटर बने और फ्रिज में कल के टिंडे पड़े, खाएगी? बट यू नो व्हाट, आई डोंट इवन ब्लेम हर। इतना स्टीरियोटाइप है पंजाबीज के अराउंड, मूवीज गाने, यहाँ तक कुकिंग शोज देख लो, पहले आते हैं संजीव कपूर, आज हम बनाएंगे सिंपल सी रेसिपी पनीर केसरी, नमक डालें स्वाद अनुसार जायके के लिए, हाँ महक देख रहे हैं, और फिर डाले केसर औकात अनुसार क्योंकि बड़ा महंगा है। और फिर आते जी शेफ हरपाल सिंह सोखी एंड ही गोज लाइक नमक शमक डाल देते हैं नमक शमक। कौन डाल रहा है ऐसे नमक? मैं रहता हूं पंजाब में, कौन डाल रहा है? कॉलेज आके एक और नई चीज डिस्कवर करी और वो थी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। अलग लेवल पे ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे लोग। एक तो सुबह 8 बजे उठो क्लास के लिए, क्लास में लॉग इन करो, सोचो आज कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, एंटर करो और ये आवाजें आ रही होती क्या है ये? और हर क्लास में एक स्टूडेंट होता है एंड यू नो हु यू आर, तो सुबह सुबह 8 बजे टिप टॉप नहा धो के कैमरा ऑन करके बैठता है और टीचर के आते गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। मतलब टीचर भी उठ के आई है, बंदा थोड़ा तरह से खा लेता है, लेकिन नहीं, गा के सुनाना है। इनको लगता है कॉलेज ने तो अभी तक मुंबई बुलाया नहीं है, शायद अनु मलिक ही बुला ले। फिर आते हैं वोडाफोन वाले, इनकी ऐसे ही आती है और ये इनके सिवाय सबको पता है, बट फिर भी बोलते तो ऐसे रहेंगे जैसे आज ही डिग्री घर लेके जानी है। लेकिन बेस्ट होते हैं वो जिन्हें पता ही नहीं है कि उनका माइक ऑन है और अपनी लाइफ में मस्त रहते हैं। मम्मी यार पराठे में नमक ही नहीं है यार, मैं क्या करूं? मम्मी आती है, कहती है नमक शमक डाल देते हैं नमक शमक। Thank you guys, that's been my time. You've been a wonderful audience.
Wow, Danish. I need to say much because the audience is going crazy for you in the chat box. All right. So our next performer says that he's an extrovert by day and introvert by night, hence proving he's not a vampire. All right, let's welcome with a big round of applause, Rahul G.
Woo. Give it up for the host. Yeah. And give up on me. You know, in my family, everybody is doctor. और सब पुरानी चीजों में बिलीव करते हैं. So I prefer to call them orthodox. यू नो लाइक आई थिंक घर एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हम लोग गरीब होते हैं. लाइक डिफरेंस बिटवीन खार एंड खारगर. खारगर डिस्कवर नहीं हुआ. लाइक मैंने डैड को रिक्शा के लिए 18 रुपए मांगे. माय डैड को लाइक मैं पिछले 3 महीने से फटी बनियान पहन के सो रहा हूँ. लाइक पापा, पहली बात वो फटी बनियान मेरी है. दूसरी बात रिक्शा मैं चला रहा हूँ, मैं भाड़ा मांग रहा हूँ आपका स्टेशन का. यू नो माय डैड इज वेरी वियर्ड. लाइक ही इज सेंडिंग मी टू बैंगलोर बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि मुंबई में सब फूक रहे. ही इज लाइक बेटा तू बैंगलोर जा, मुंबई में सब फूक रहे. यू नो मेरे डैड इतना स्मोक करते हैं कि क्रिसमस में सांता क्लॉज चिमनी से नहीं, मेरे पापा के मुंह से बाहर निकलता है. कभी कभी मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ क्योंकि वो भी कश मार के हो करते रहते हैं. लाइक अरे मेरे डैड बहुत स्मोक करते हैं. लाइक स्पीकिंग टू माय डैड एंड ब्रीदिंग इन दिल्ली इज सेम. तुमको पेट्रियार्की और पोल्यूशन साथ में सुन सकोगे. ठीक है, मेरा बहुत लाइक आई रिसेंटली टर्न्ड एथिस्ट और ये चीज मैंने पापा को बताई कॉज यू नो ओपननेस. लेकिन मेरे पापा ने मेरे को विल और व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप दोनों से निकाल दिया और उन्होंने मेरे को 3 रीजन दिए कि मुझे एथिस्ट क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए. ही इज लाइक बेटा तुम लाइक ही इज लाइक देख मंदिर जाता हूँ, तेरी माँ के अलावा और भी आंटीज दिखती है. दूसरा मैं पैरागॉन पहन के जाता हूँ और वुडलैंड पहन के आता हूँ. और तीसरा मैं तेरे को वहीं से उठाया हूँ. बहुत सैड है. लाइक मेरे डैड इतने सैवेज है ना. लाइक तुमको पता है यू नो बचपन में अपने को पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू गिव अस दिस टिप कि इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो हाइट यू नीड टू लाइक ऐसा कहीं पे लटक जाओ ऑन अ पोल और समथिंग यू नो. तो मेरे को लगता है कि लाइक दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई व्हेनेवर आई फील लो इन लाइफ आई वांट टू हैंग माय सेल्फ. यू नो माय डैड सो वियर्ड. लाइक मेरे डैड बहुत बहुत ज्यादा ऑर्थोडॉक्स है. ठीक है, वो रिसेंटली लाइक उनको नहीं क्या अंकल चिप्स की उम्र में कुरकुरे वाले काम कर रहे हैं. तो वो जिम गए. जिम ट्रेनर उनको बोलता है सर दिस इज जिम नॉट अबॉर्शन क्लिनिक. माय डैड गोज लाइक हाँ पता है, कल ही तेरी वाइफ का किया. ठीक है, एंड उसके बाद क्या था, उसके बाद पापा घर आ गए. एंड उसके बाद लाइक मेरे को पापा की एक टिप है जो मेरे को हमेशा काम आती है. यू नो पापा की एक टिप है कि जब भी तुम लाइफ में सैड हो या कुछ भी हो, तुमको बड़े बुजुर्गों से बात करनी चाहिए. यू नीड टू टॉक टू एल्डर्स. आई फील दैट्स ग्रेट यू नो. क्योंकि जब भी मैं लोनली फील करता हूँ ना, आई सिट विथ ओल्ड मॉन्क और इट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन. सब बातें निकलती है. ओल्ड मॉन्क से याद आया, आई यूज्ड टू डेट अ गर्ल. वो बहुत पॉजिटिव थी. वो इतना पॉजिटिव थी कि उसको ऐसा बंदा चाहिए था जो उसको मरने के बाद भी प्यार करे. आई एम लाइक तेरे को बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं LIC पॉलिसी की जरूरत है, जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी. शी गॉट मैरिड very recently and she got married to a mutual fund kind of guy subjected to marpit risk. ठीक है, okay, so I'll just end this with one liner. You know my mother has diabetes, so I don't sugarcoat things in front of her. All right, that's been my time. You've been lovely audience. Thank you so much. Bring back your host. Cool.
Amazing, Rahul ji, and I could totally relate to the point where you become open with your parents and what happens. Great job. Our next comic is without a doubt our next comic, and also an Oreo person, though his first love was Palaji. He may share his love, but not his garlic bread. Finally, God has been kind to him. He had an All India rank 39 in CA Foundation held in the winter of 2019. Damn, my respect just rose for you, man. Let's welcome Kaustubh Jain.
Thank you to you, all of you. Though honestly, I had to write another script after you sent the policy on usage of words. So it's a large many scripts. Forgive me if I do anything wrong on this. So 2020, honestly, many things in our life. It brought many things in our life. First of all, loads of dancing. Second, it showed us the right way to marry is invite only 100 guys, not a 10,000 guys. No, that's the wrong way. Third, for me, it was Zoom meeting. Yeah, that meeting where you can show up with the same shirt every day. So, what was the Zoom meeting about? It was about an orientation course where we trained about articleship. But guess what? The best part of it was not the articleship, but meeting new people. Well, excluding the boys. So first day of meeting, I start swiping on my screen as if it's a Tinder screen. So though it was better than constantly looking to the right row of your college, like wow, it was way better than that. So thanks to the virus though, I was hunting, and hunting. Now, do I text them? Will I look at Despo? First day of meeting, is it bad? So wait 3 days. Jump to the third day. I've hunted. I found what to text and when to text. So I go to the chat and wait. What do I see? Text is disabled. The personal chat is disabled. Maybe someone tried and did not get lucky at all. So I was excited. I had all gelled up my hair and I even wore a full pant. Guys, guess what? Full pant in a Zoom meeting. Laughing on myself. So think. What do you do? Fourth day, ma'am creates a breakout room. And lo, the same girl I tried to hit on. He's in front of me. Tanisha, her name. I'm like, Tani partner, no fear when Raj is here. Also, I'm thinking that किसी को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने के लिए जुट जाती है. So a lot happened. We exchanged numbers, we're chatting all night, roasting each other on the official students group also. You get dreams, right? You imagine your kid's name and you're like, yeah, 1, 2, 3, how many? So it was blast. Jump 30 days ahead, we're still on WhatsApp. Only. WhatsApp only. I was like, anxiety creeping in. Are we also a couple? Are we even a couple? No. I don't know. I guess I'll call it a basement. Thank you guys. Thank you. It's my
Thank you, Kaustubh. That was hilarious. Our next performer goes by the name Vandit Koradia. So when we asked him to introduce himself and say something about him, he sent us that he's a man who will struggle to make conversation with two people in college, but has no qualms about going on stage and making jokes in front of 50. So Vandit, are you here with us? Hi.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have a question to ask you. Yeah, what did you eat for breakfast today?
I don't have breakfast.
See, you got that? This is how you start conversation with strangers, and it is totally not awkward at all. All right?
Yeah.
It's so good to have you here, Vandit. Stage is all yours. Best of luck.
अब स्कूल में सा रोड क्रॉस करते टाइम लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट देखने क्यों सिखाते हैं? मतलब व्हीकल्स तो एक ही साइड से आने चाहिए ना, क्योंकि यू लुक लेफ्ट, यू क्रॉस हाफ द रोड राइट, और फिर वापस क्यों लेफ्ट देखना है? मतलब शायद इसके लिए, क्योंकि मतलब इधर उन लोग को ही पता है कि यहाँ तो कोई गाड़ी बराबर से नहीं जाए, रॉन्ग साइड तो आने ही वाला. मतलब दुबई में ये लोग राइट लेफ्ट राइट सिखाते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ उर्दू में. मैं मेरे एक दोस्त से मिला, वो नेशनल्स खेला है कैरम में. मतलब कैरम स्पोर्ट नहीं है, कैरम एट बेस्ट गोटी है ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ. मतलब हर स्पोर्ट का आइकन रहता है. क्रिकेट में तेंदुलकर है, फुटबॉल में पेले है, मैराडोना है, कैरम में मुन्ना भाई MBBS वाला बुड्ढा है. मतलब यार, और जब ऐसा हम स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं तो हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स मूव होने चाहिए. मतलब कैरम में सिर्फ पेट मूव हो रहा है, और ऐसा कैरम बनाने वाला इतना बोर हो गया था कि मतलब उसने बीच में खाली सर्कल देखा तो उसमें डिजाइन भर दी, साइड चारों साइड एरो लगा दिए. और ये और इंडियंस कितने लेजी रेसिस्ट लोग हैं, मतलब हम देख सकते हैं क्योंकि हमने कैरम और चेस इन्वेंट किया है. बैठे बैठे खेलो और वाइट हमेशा जीतेगा. या ओके. और मतलब आजकल हर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को आर्ट, सबको आर्ट बनाना है. मतलब स्पोर्ट्स को भी आर्ट मानते हैं आजकल लोग. मतलब स्पोर्ट्स इतने सिमिलर है कि मतलब आर्ट बना दिया तो सारे कॉपीराइट हो जाएंगे. क्रिकेट है, क्रिकेट बेसबॉल सेम है, पूल कैरम सेम है. और मैं जॉइंट फैमिली में रहता हूँ, तो मतलब मुझे कॉल आता है तो मुझे नीचे गार्डन में जाकर बात करना पड़ता है. समझ रहे हो? मतलब पब्लिक प्लेस में जाना पड़ता है प्राइवेसी के लिए. और मतलब कैसा है, मेरे घर पे मुझे बचपन में टीवी देखने नहीं मिलता था. मतलब बाकी सब देखते थे, मुझे जो चल रहा है वही देखना पड़ता था. तो नेक्स्ट डे फिर स्कूल जाता था, सब डिस्कस करते थे कि कल बेंटन में ये हुआ, फिर पावर रेंजर्स में ये हुआ. मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता था कि सेंसेक्स ऊपर गया, निफ्टी नीचे, और कुसुम ने शांतिलाल को क्यों मारा. मेरे दोस्त फिर डिस्कस करते थे कॉलेज स्कूल में कि मतलब मैं पंखा 3 पे रखता हूँ, AC 5 पे. ये सब डैड के हिसाब से नहीं चलता है. अरे यार, मेरे सब दोस्त भी आजकल मूव आउट कर रहे हैं घर से. मतलब मेरा तो क्या, ये मेरे तो डैड भी नहीं कर पाए. थैंक यू.
Doesn't matter if you can't make small talk because you killed it here. Our next participant is from Delhi University and thinks that किसी को हंसाना बहुत बड़ा पुण्य का काम है, and he wants to earn that punya so that his sins are forgiven. What a greedy man. Just kidding. Give it up for Varun Gupta.
Hi, so myself Varun Gupta and I belong to a very intellectual community. बढ़िया हूँ मैं, वो भी मिडिल क्लास. तो क्या होता है ना, हमें फैमिली में बचपन से ही कंजूसियत से जीना सिखाया जाता है ताकि हम बड़ी होकर इसी प्रथा को आगे बढ़ा सकें. तो ऐसे ही मैंने एक दिन पापा से कहा कि मुझे दिल्ली जाना है फॉर फर्दर स्टडी. तो उन्होंने कहा नो नो नो, दिल्ली सो डेंजरस बेटा, दिल्ली सो डेंजरस. आई एम लाइक पापा दिल्ली डेंजरस? पापा हम नोएडा में रहते हैं, कल बगल वाले पुलिस स्टेशन से पुलिस वाला किडनैप हो गया था और वो एंटी किडनैपिंग स्क्वाड में था. और ना हमारी फैमिली में सबसे ऑकवर्ड मोमेंट पता है कब आता है? जब सब लोग बैठकर मूवी देख रहे हो और अचानक से कोई रोमांटिक सीन आ जाए. तो आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा, जैसे ही कोई रोमांटिक सीन आता है सबसे ज्यादा ऑकवर्ड जाती है हमारी मम्मियाँ. तो मेरी मम्मी बगल से खड़ी हुई और बोली, अच्छा मैं दूध बनाने जा रही हूँ, कौन कौन पिएगा? तो मुझे याद है उस रात इमरान हाशमी की मूवी आ रही थी और उस रात मैंने चार ग्लास दूध पिया था. और ना कैसे चाहे कैसा इंसिडेंट हो, अच्छा हो या बुरा, मेरे पापा हमेशा मुझे ताना मारते हैं. तो एक दिन न्यूज आई कि 15 साल के बच्चे को गूगल ने 3 करोड़ की जॉब का ऑफर दिया. मेरे पापा 3 साल छोटा है तुमसे और 3 करोड़ कमाता है. एंड आई एम लाइक पापा आपसे 30 साल छोटा है एंड आई थिंक आपको ज्यादा कवर अप करना चाहिए. और फिर वो आपको अपनी स्ट्रगल सुनाने लग जाते हैं कि हम तो स्ट्रीट लाइट के नीचे बैठकर पढ़ाई करते थे, हम तो मोमबत्ती की रोशनी में पढ़ाई करते थे. तो हम लोग पापा आप लोग दिन में क्या करते थे यार, और क्या फायदा हुआ मोमबत्ती की रोशनी में पढ़ने का? परसेंटेज तो आपको 52 आए. 52 इससे ज्यादा तो मैं अपने सरप्राइज टेस्ट में ले आता हूँ. और ना उनकी स्ट्रगल ना कोई छोटी मोटी नहीं होती थी कि वाईफाई वीक हो गया या ऑरिगेनो कम पड़ गया. उनकी स्ट्रगल होती थी नेक्स्ट लेवल. वो कहते थे हम 10-10 किलोमीटर स्विमिंग करके स्कूल जाते थे. मतलब इतना बड़ा झूठ वो मुंह पर ही बोल देते हैं. और मैं सोचता हूँ कि इनका टीचर कितना बड़ा हरामी है कि 1000 बच्चों को 10-10 किलोमीटर स्विमिंग कराकर रोज स्कूल बुलाता है. ये खुद अकेले यहाँ से वहां नहीं आ सकता था. मतलब टीचर भी बच्चों की मजे लेने में लगा हुआ है कि आओ सालो अब तो तुम्हें और मजे लूंगा, अभी तुम्हारे पूरे खानदान के मजे लूंगा. ये लो मंडे को पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग रख लिया है. और ना अगर वर्ल्ड में कोई कंपटीशन हो ना कि टू बी द मोस्ट सैवेज, तो मेरी मम्मी उसमें फर्स्ट आएगी. हम चाहे मम्मी या पापा को व्हाट्सएप चलाना सिखाया होता ही है, ये पाप मैंने भी किया है. और धोनी की लास्ट ओवर में बैटिंग या मेरी मम्मी के हाथ में व्हाट्सएप, दोनों ही केस में खतरा सामने वाले को है. एक बार मेरी मम्मी मुझे मैसेज कर रही थी और वो 22 मिनट तक टाइपिंग चल ही रहा था और 24 मिनट की घनघोर टाइपिंग के बाद मैसेज आता है एक गुलाब का फूल. मतलब कि आप बाग से तोड़ के लाई हो क्या इसको जो 24 मिनट लगा दी. और ये तो हुई मेरी मम्मी की बात. फिर आती है मेरे पापा जो फालतू सवाल पूछने में नंबर 1 है. एक बार मैं चाय पी रहा था तो उन्होंने पूछा, ओ बेटा चाय पी रहा है? बोले नहीं, इसमें क्या है मक्खी गिर गई है तो मैं उसको स्विमिंग सिखा रहा हूँ ताकि वो भी आपकी तरह स्ट्रगल करके स्विमिंग करके 10-10 किलोमीटर स्कूल जा सके. थैंक यू गाइस.
Thank you, Varun. That was just hilarious, and people in the chat box are going crazy. All right. So our next performer is from our very own PSDS club. He's the head of technicals and director of the editorial. He's a multi-talented person who does writing, poetry, photography, videography, and now comedy. Seems like his day has 48 hours. Presenting Tushar Khatri.
Hello everyone. First of all, do we have a round of applause for our hosts? Like Nandini, your humor is on point. If you would have performed, you would have been a tough competition for us.
Thank you so much.
So hello everyone, my name is Tushar Khatri and I'm a BCom student. I usually say this upfront in the beginning to set the bar really low. Because once you say you're a BCom student, people don't start expecting much more of you. Like the other day, I was coming home from somewhere and a pados wali auntie was standing there. And as usual, she called, "Hi beta, kaise ho? Kya chal raha hai? Padhai kaisi hai?" I'm like, "हाँ auntie, अच्छी है." She's like, "क्या करते हो?" If I would have said any other course like auntie BCom, oh sorry, BMS, BFM, BMM, or as the South Mumbai kids like to call it, media studies, she would have been, "Oh, nice." But I said, BCom. पहले तो आंटी 2 कदम पीछे चली गई, फिर 2 सेकंड ऊपर से नीचे तक ताड़ा, फिर पूछा सीए कर रहे हो? घर नहीं आंटी, आंटी बैठी। उस टाइम पे भाई साहब मैं सामूहिक डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हो गया, लाइक सीरियसली। सोशल हायरार्की के बॉटम लास्ट में आता हूँ मैं, प्लेन बीकॉम वालों में, प्लेन बीकॉम। और लाइक आंटी बीकॉम है, सलाद नहीं है। एक तो ना हम इंडियंस को सलाद का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझा भाई साहब। कभी रेस्टोरेंट में चले जाओ पापा के साथ, पापा पूछें क्या खाएगा, पापा सैलेड। सलाद वो तो साथ में आएगा ना, खाएगा क्या वो बता, प्लेन सलाद। बस बीकॉम का भी यही सीन है। बीकॉम के साथ जितनी बेवफाइयाँ हुई है भाई साहब, अगर तुमको लगता है कि रोमियो जूलियट और हीर रांझा की कहानियां दर्द भरी है, तो तुम्हें बीकॉम के दर्द का अंदाजा नहीं है। Sorry, is there a problem here? I'm seeing a black screen. Hello, I'm
No, we
audible?
can hear you.
No, we can see you. We can see you very well.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Hello.
Tushar, we can see you and hear you. Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, you guys are back. Sorry, there was a connection issue, I guess. Yeah, so I was saying, BCom has always been the side chick. मतलब BCom के साथ हुई बेवफाइयों का हिसाब तो ऊपर वाले ने भी नहीं रखा, क्योंकि वो खुद दुनिया का ऑडिट करने में बिजी था। Like if you want the answer to not all men, ask BCom. तुम्हें उसकी आत्मा चीखती हुई सुनाई देगी। All men, all men. Like BCom तुम्हारी बैलेंस शीट टैली ना होना तक माफ करता है, और तुम उसके साथ बेवफाई कर बैठे हो। So in the end, what I imagine for BCom is BCom 2.0, BCom revamped. Like imagine a revolution in BCom. People go gaga over it. People call themselves BComians. That should be a term. And then BCom stands there in the side and goes, ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार मेरा इंतकाम देखेगी. Thank you guys. You've been a lovely audience.
I was already flattered with the compliment, so I didn't even care to listening what you said next. Just kidding. You were amazing. Our next gentleman needs no introduction because we don't know who he is anyway. Also, achievements ke naam pe, all he had to say was that he survived 2020 and the only thing he believes in is to eat and never miss out an opportunity to sleep. He also won a few remarkable events, but that doesn't count. Let's welcome Vishal Makhija.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Makhija, as the host said. So I will be wasting the next 3 minutes of your life. So let's get to it. तो सब लोगों को वो पैंडेमिक वाला पीरियड याद है, मार्च एंड टू अगस्त वाला। हाँ, अभी जिस बेशरम इंसान ने हाँ सोचा खुद को एक चाटा मारो, पैंडेमिक अभी तक है, मास्क पहन के घूमो बेशर्मो। हाँ, तो फिर एक्चुअली वन ऑफ दोस मंथ्स वन ऑफ माय फैमिली मेंबर टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव फॉर कोविड। So what happened? We actually called the doctor. We said कि बाकी लोगों को भी टेस्ट कराना, किसी को भेजो। उसने बोला कि 7 बजे किसी को भेज दूंगा। हमने बोला ठीक है, मस्त बल्ले बल्ले। 7 बजे देखा कोई आ ही नहीं रहा है, ये तो स्कैम हो गया। कॉल किया तो बोलते थोड़ा लेट होगा। भाई इसको थोड़ा नहीं, थोड़ा ज्यादा ही लेट हो गया। पहले बोलता है 1 घंटा, फिर बोलता है 1 घंटा और, फिर 2 घंटा और, फिर बोलता है 3 घंटा और, फिर बोलता है 5 घंटा और। भाई तू बता कि तुझे लेट हो रहा है तो ठीक है, बट ऐसा फिबोनाची सीरीज में क्यों लेट हो रहा है? हाँ, और हुआ तो हुआ ठीक है, बट 12 घंटा। इधर हमारी मुंबई की लोकल सिर्फ 11 घंटा 35 मिनट लेट होती है। तुझे किस बात का 12 घंटा लग गया? खैर कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, तो टेस्ट हो गया, सब हो गया, टचवुड सब कुछ नेगेटिव आ गया है। ये तो प्लास्टिक है, सॉरी। एनीवे, तो फिर वो बट 12 घंटे थे ना, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट थे हमारे लिए। पता है कैसे? क्योंकि उस समय मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे कुछ खाने नहीं दिया, क्योंकि एक मनूस आंटी ने उनको व्हाट्सएप पे फॉरवर्ड कर दिया मैसेज, क्या कि कोविड के टेस्ट के पहले कुछ भी खाना नहीं चाहिए वरना पॉजिटिव ही आएगा रिपोर्ट। उस आंटी के कारण हमारा करवा चौथ का व्रत हो गया। मैं तो भाई रुका हुआ था कि अंकल आए, मैं ऐसे छन्नी लेके रुकूं और अपना करवा चौथ का व्रत तोड़ूं और गाना गाऊं, सैया जी घर आए हम क्यों शर्माए। तो फिर देखो ठीक है, ये हो गया। बट मम्मी से आर्ग्यू नहीं कर सकते। मम्मी को बोला मम्मी खाना दो, मम्मी ने बोला मेरी चप्पल खाएगा। मैंने बोला छोड़ो यार, वैसे भी मोटा हो गया हूँ, डाइटिंग कर ही लेता हूँ, इसी बहाने स्लिम हो जाऊंगा। फिर मैं, मेरा पापा और मेरा छोटा भाई बैठ गए टीवी देखने। अब मेरे पापा को ना ऐसा बहुत घटिया आदत है कि वो मेरे छोटे भाई की बहुत गंदी मजे लेते। एक बार पता है क्या हुआ, उसने ना चप्पल उल्टी छोड़ दी। मम्मी ने उसको बोला बेटा चप्पल उल्टी नहीं रखते वरना घर पे लफड़ा होता है, ठीक है। बट उसने बोला कि नहीं मम्मी ये तो अंधविश्वास है। मेरे पापा ने उसको बहुत ही प्यार से समझाया। कैसे? बोला कि बेटा देख ये जो चप्पल तूने उल्टी छोड़ी है, इन केस ये उल्टी पड़ी रहे तो फिर ये चप्पल तेरे ही मुंह पे पड़ने के चांसेस 36% से बढ़ जाते। वो बेचारा इतना डर गया, उसने अभी तक चप्पल अपनी पहनी नहीं है। तो क्या हुआ, जब हम बैठे थे, हम मूवी देखने बैठ गए, तो फिर हम लोग हैरी पॉटर देख रहे थे। हैरी पॉटर की एंड में जो सीन आता है, मेरे पापा ने मेरे भाई को वो बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया, बड़े प्यार से एक्सप्लेन किया। पता है कैसे? बेटा देखो ये जो हैरी पुत्र है ना, इसने ना धोई के बाद हाथ नहीं धोया और अंकल को टच किया, अंकल मर गया। आप ऐसा चाहते हो हमारे साथ? तो वो बेचारा इतना डर गया, वो अभी कोई और बाथरूम जाता है वो अपने हाथ धोने बैठ जाता है। वो बाथरूम जाने के बाद तो हाथ धोता है, वो बाथरूम जाने के पहले भी हाथ धो लेता है। और कभी कभी तो मेरे को शक है वो बाथरूम करते करते भी हाथ धो रहा है ऐसे साइड से। ये हो गया। फिर एक बार हम लोग शोले देख रहे थे, शोले भी पापा ने उसके अलग मजे लिए। वो मोबाइल पे गेम खेल रहा था। मोबाइल पे जब भी गेम खेलता है पापा को बहुत चिढ़ मचती है। तो पापा ने उसको बोला कि ना बेटा देख, तूने अगर मोबाइल हाथ लगाया वापस, तेरे हाथ ठाकुर अंकल को दूंगा, तेरे को उसकी जगह भेजूंगा, फिर तू बसंती को नाचते देखना। हरामी इंसान 2 मिनट के लिए मोबाइल छोड़ा नहीं, पहले सोच रहा था। Well, that's it from my side, guys. Thank you very much. You have been a lovely audience. Back to the host.
Vishal, you killed it. Everyone is going crazy in the chat box and macha diya yaar. So that concludes all the wonderful performance from our amazing finalists. Everyone presented such witty, intelligent and humorous sets. And I guess we are all impressed for the evening. But that doesn't end things here. We now have our highlight of the day. A special performance by our judge, Miss Pooja Natarajan.
Woo!
Welcome back, Miss Pooja. Woo!
Thank you. Can you give me 1 second? I need to send this Excel sheet.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Just give me 1 second. But in the meantime, someone can keep talking. That'll be great.
So the participants, how was your experience today? I think you all did really, really well. Unmute yourselves.
It was fun actually. I had a lot of fun the whole time.
3 मिनट में इतने सारा कंटेंट बोलने में एमिनेम वाली फील आ गई।
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. And it was the first time I was doing something like this. It was great.
It was nice to see people from different areas put out their voice and opinion on certain aspects and premises, which are jokes as well. So that one was really nice. Uske alawa, everything was fine only, man. Great management, man. Kudos to you guys, HR College. So yeah.
Love that virtual background.
Yeah.
It was amazing, huh? Amazing. I loved it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sunday well spent.
Definitely.
Yes.
Yeah, Pooja ma'am, will you also be performing for us today?
अरे नहीं बाबा, तुम लोग का Zoom अकाउंट ब्लॉक हो जाएगा हमेशा के लिए।
प्रिंसिपल को ये सवाल पूछने की हिम्मत बहुत ज्यादा है किसी में। Will you be performing for us today?
वो भी unprepared, बताओ।
देखो।
Yes, ma'am. We have one improv specialist with us also, one judge, so we can do it.
So already Pooja, the judge is performing, na? So Pooja is performing.
Okay. Hi everyone. Now that I've sent the Excel sheet, I am back here. And can you all hear me properly? All good?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. It's perfect.
Okay, cool. And also, thank you for being on mute while the others were performing. But right now, I would request you to unmute. Otherwise, मैं इसी गुरूर में जीती रहूंगी कि मेरे सारे jokes funny हैं. So please unmute. Yes. Okay. So if it is not clear yet, my name is Pooja, and of course, it can never be the case कि एक Zoom call पे सिर्फ एक Pooja हो. So I'm very excited sharing the screen with the principal. So I'm like So I'm a lawyer by day and a comedian by night. And come on, we all know what that truly means. अगर कल को FIR लगा तो लीगल फीस पे बचत ही बचत.
Got it covered.
God, bro.
So, again, I'm not bragging. I was kind of on TV last year, Comedy Central. Not bragging.
Whoa.
But here's the thing about becoming even moderately famous. Random people on the internet start throwing shade at you. Like this one person categorically commented, "Ye Pooja TV pe kya aa gayi? She is blowing her own trumpet." I was like, challenge accepted.
Oh God.
The artist always performs for the audience, so I said challenge accepted. ये trumpet कैसा skill है? Guitar या piano समझ में भी आता है, right? Even ukulele, which is actually a guitar made for people with commitment issues, because it has fewer strings attached. See, I went to an all-girls residential school, okay? And I joined the marching band because I got to make out with this guy every single day. And honestly, I would prefer kissing my trumpet over a human being because कम से कम मेरा consent तो होता है. Comedy comes from a dark place, ठीक है ना? ये writing और Zoom की screen पे दिख नहीं रहा होगा तुमको शायद. So I have often heard men crib about having gone to an all-boys school. From pop culture reference to career choices, that rant is everywhere. But I've hardly had any discussion about what it's like for a girl in an all-girls school. And that's why we need feminism. Sorry, F word. Judge, please marks mat kaatna. Oh wait, I am the judge. See, बहुत हो गया यार तुम्हारा भाईचारा, bromance and bro code. It is time for बहन code. Trust me, it exists. We have the coolest female friendships, which according to the media is impossible. I mean, haven't we all been fed ideas like औरत की सबसे बड़ी दुश्मन होती है? हाँ. लेकिन दुश्मनी जेंडर या स्पीशीज देख के नहीं आती है. नागिन और सपेरे को देख लो. Can I get a cheer from Marvel fans? See, I don't have time, but WandaVision देखी किसी ने? My God, my mind is blown. Anyway, I'm not going to digress. What about DC fans? DC fans, give me a cheer. Okay, and start dancing if you like Ichhadari Nagin. See, being a girl in an all-girls school is like the Amazons from DC Comics.
Relate, Max.
Basically living in a fantasy alternate universe where men do not exist. And every girl is Wonder Woman. They say that necessity is the mother of invention. है ना? No men, no problem. Because we had jugaad for everything. I'll explain. We had likers instead of crushes. And junior and senior friends instead of high school romances. Valentine's week पे तो क्या मनाते थे यार हम लोग गर्ल्स स्कूल में. I know. Girls hostel सुनते ही, I know, right? High five. Girls hostel सुनते ही, you must be like, ooh, knicker में pillow fight. Jokes on you. हमारे pillow fight brown night uniform में होते थे, ठीक है ना? See, it has to be asked. Were all of these jugaads, were all of these Valentine celebrations purely platonic? I don't know. And you shouldn't care because hashtag love is love. See, हमें ना जुगाड़ की इतनी आदत हो गई कि जब हमें सेक्स एजुकेशन नहीं मिला ना, हमने 10th स्टैंडर्ड बायोलॉजी से काम चला लिया. That chapter on reproduction. See, that chapter was split into plant and animal reproduction.
Oh boy.
Exactly, yes. लेकिन हमारे टीचर ने plant reproduction इतनी शिद्दत से पढ़ाया, because obviously you use it in real life, right? शिद्दत से पढ़ाया that the non-vegetarians turned vegan. प्लांट रिप्रोडक्शन इतनी शिद्दत से पढ़ाया कि गार्डन क्रॉस करते थे तो हॉर्नी फील करते थे. The school had 5 gardens. Imagine. Thanks to my A grade in plant reproduction, I know अगर मुझे कोई नहीं मिला ना, I can always marry a tree. Preferably people का पेड़, क्योंकि मांगले को.
Like they did, I said.
हालात देख के वही लगता है.
Like they do.
लेकिन बोनसाई नहीं चलेगा क्योंकि हाइट तो मांगता है प्लीज.
You're awesome. Awesome.
Thanks. देखो टीचर ने एनिमल रिप्रोडक्शन भी पढ़ाया with a special focus on asexual reproduction. Turns out plant का reproductive part is stigma and so is talking about sexual reproduction.
Nice. Right.
देखो मतलब ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि कैसे अमीबा फट के 2 हो जाता है. लेकिन कभी कभी कॉन्डम फटने से लोग 2 से 3 हो जाते हैं is irrelevant. बोर्ड्स में नहीं पूछता ना कोई. See, I love my school, okay? Don't get me wrong, I love my school. But it is not easy being this tall. ठीक है, आज बैठी हूँ मैं, but I'm 5'8", okay? It is not easy being this tall in an all-girls school. क्योंकि वो तुम्हें हर चीज में लड़का बना देंगे यार.
Annual function ever. So true. Oh, लड़का.
I once dressed up as Amitabh Bachchan. To do shawa shawa. Girls walked up to me and said, क्या आप रिश्ते में मेरे बच्चों के बाप लगेंगे? यार बहन कोर तो था, लेकिन ये शहंशाह को शहंशाह नहीं बन पाई. क्योंकि लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, तुम कितना भी जुगाड़ कर लो, है तो सोसाइटी पेट्रियार्कियल ना, राइट? लड़का लंबा, लड़की छोटी. लंबी पूजा सिर्फ लड़का बनेगी, और मुझे भी लाइफ में लड़का लंबा ही चाहिए. Honestly, I don't even know if it is a personal choice of patriarchy anymore. Oh, by the way, patriarchy सिर्फ height ही नहीं, और भी चीजों में. I'll explain. What is Women's Day about? है ना, celebrating women, their empowerment, smashing gender stereotypes. Celebrate कैसे करते हैं? Pink balloons everywhere. क्योंकि 8 मार्च को पिंक गुब्बारे होलसेल में सस्ते पड़ते हैं. Yes. Turns out that capitalism trumps gender equality. Okay. Capitalism trumps everything. However, Biden trumps Trump.
Oh, damn, killer.
See, did you know that authentic filter coffee comes with 80% coffee beans, 15% chicory, and 5% patriarchy? I'll explain. In Suraj Barjatia sized families, the first round of filter is served to the men, the second to the women, and third to the household help. We Indians love free stuff, right? पेश है पेट्रियार्की पे कास्टिज्म. फ्री फ्री फ्री. देखो, people often say that men only crack certain kinds of jokes and women can't. So I am now going to crack one gender neutral joke. Jobs. Men, women, all of them have jobs. हाँ, थोड़े issues है like gender-based wage gap, casual sexism and workplace harassment, but jobs सबके पास हैं. At least that's what the government wants you to believe, right? But thanks to the 2020 Indian GDP, ये सब issues की जड़ ही मिट गई है. Now, क्या men, क्या women, nobody has jobs. Who knew a falling economy would finally smash gender inequality? See, I'll wrap up quickly, okay? Boys who went to all boys school complained कि उनके आसपास लड़कियां नहीं थी. I am glad मेरे आसपास लड़के नहीं थे, वरना मैं बच्चन बन के शावा शावा कैसे करती. See, lastly, thanks guys. अभी भी ना वो मूछ कभी कभी याद आता है मुझे. बहुत बेरहमी से खींच दिया था उन्होंने, बचपन में ही करा ली थी मैंने वैक्सिंग। See, I started off by saying that I'm moderately famous, लेकिन by God कभी लाइफ में घमंड नहीं किया है, ठीक है ना, कभी नहीं। But I'm very, very excited to announce that I finally have a verified blue tick account.
Oh. Wow.
On Bumble. Happy Valentine's week, guys. And that's my time. I love you, audience.
Oh.
Wow.
Over to
wow,
the host.
Okay, Miss Pooja, you can officially count me in your fandom. That's it. I'm your fan now.
Thank you.
I think we all are, right, guys?
Yes, that's one.
Yes. Yes, for sure.
I always was.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to binge watch everything from Miss Pooja now. All right. I like my colleague Ajit from Takeover for here.
Thank you, Deepalina. Looking forward to a very special address. Now, we have heard from her before, but we would like to hear from her again. So before we go to that, I would like to quote that a leader is one who lights the path to impossible and takes those who follow to great heights. And we have always seen this exemplary leader lead us, and we would now like to call upon a wings of flight, a pillar of strength, and a constant source of motivation, the principal in charge of the HR College of Commerce and Economics, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani. Over to you, ma'am.
Oh, I thought it's over and I can relax and enjoy. The speech was over. But a wonderful evening, starting from 4 o'clock till 5 o'clock. I think time went by and I was surprised to see such a talent here from Delhi to different parts of the country. And I think this Corona has been a blessing. जहाँ सब घर पे बैठे हैं, but still we are connected to the entire part of the world. And an opportunity to learn from each other. I think all the participants were brilliant. Judges will do their job. I will not get into that. But Pooja's performance at the end was a killer, and I could see students enjoying. I think this is a wonderful opportunity to students to meet each other, learn from each other. I mean, yes, stand-up comedy is not easy, but it is also fun when you do it in a subtle way. You say it and people smile, and I think today what is more needed is bring a smile to someone's face. Time has been difficult, and I think last 1 year people have forgotten to smile. People are worried about their jobs, as Pooja said, about their work pressure, about their online lectures. जब मम्मी पराठों में नमक और काफी चीजें नहीं डालती है. I think those have been the fun moments, and this year would be going in a memory, which is going to be very, very special for every one of us. I think this Sunday, today's program will also go in that special part of our memory where students have taken this initiative. So hearty congratulations for this wonderful 1.5 hours of smiling faces. And I could see all the smiles on everybody's face. People were putting in a smiley, a laughing symbol or a clap, and I could feel it that they're really enjoying. And looking forward to PSDS now, making it as a regular event now, that every year we should do this event and give opportunity or take blessings from God because you're making someone smile. So hearty congratulations. Over
Thank
to
you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think we all will agree that one of the greatest values of a mentor is the ability to see ahead what others cannot see and to help them navigate a course to their destination. Now, we heard an address from our principal, ma'am, but now I would like to call upon the backbone of Public Speaking and Debating Society of HR College, the teacher in charge of our club, Professor Geeta Sahu.
Thank you so much. And on the onset, I would like to thank Dr. Pooja Ramchandani for being here, not just for 5 minutes, but throughout the program. And this is really very, very encouraging, ma'am. Ma'am is very busy right from morning to evening. And this is one day on a Sunday where she could have relaxed. But thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us throughout the event. And thank you for your encouragement. Secondly, thank you to the judges for making yourself available for judging this program. And thank you so much, Pooja, for that wonderful, wonderful performance where there was satire and politics and comedy and caste and so many issues that you have touched upon. Thank you so much, Pooja. That was a wonderful, wonderful performance. Of course, I cannot thank enough my core committee and the entire team PSDS who has put in great efforts, have worked day and night. As they were saying in the beginning that last night they were having a meeting till 2 o'clock in the morning, and this is a wonderful, wonderful team this year and a wonderful effort by all of you all. So thank you so much, team PSDS. The event heads, because this year Off the Cuff is happening over 3 to 4 months where we have different events, and the event heads for this event were Harshita, Ajit, Nandita, Tisha, Debolina, and Vidhi. So thank you team for organizing this, and thank you everyone else for supporting the team. And thank you Varun Sriram, who has been coordinating with me since morning and doing his bit of the coordination with me. Thank you everyone. And we are now awaiting the results which Varun has WhatsApped me. So this was, yeah, and of course, thank you participants. How could I forget, all the participants who have performed today. What a wonderful, wonderful performance. And, it's a different experience watching a comedy circus, a comedy show on television. And without the orchestra and those kind of effects, it's a completely different experience. It has been a completely different experience watching performances online today, and I thoroughly enjoyed all the performances. So thank you participants who have been here from all over the country. Thank you so much for your interest, for your efforts, and for your participation. So with this, the announcement of the results, which is long awaited. The third place goes to Rahul. The second place goes to Danish Malhotra.
Oh, very nice. Congratulations, Danish.
And any guesses for?
Thank you, ma'am.
Any guesses for the first place? So I have seen him perform last year as well. And the first place of the competition goes to Adit. Oh. Congratulations. Wow. Congratulations to all the three winners. But then I'm sure the judges had a very tough time selecting the best three, because we've really had a wonderful 1.5 hours, as our principal has rightly said. So congratulations to all the participants. Everybody is a winner over here, but then the best three names are these. So congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Woo!
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, can I take a minute to just say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am मत बोलो यार, उम्र का लिहाज होने लगता है, मत करो please. Okay, so first of all, congratulations to the winners. You were great and we had a lot of fun. And to all the other participants, please note that we had a very tough time doing this. Okay, especially me, जिसकी maths बहुत खराब है, ठीक है ना? तो बहुत तकलीफ हुई. Okay, but having said that, just letting you know, this is just pep talk. Don't stop doing comedy or anything. मैं national television पे हार के आई हूँ, ठीक है ना? तो ये कुछ नहीं है. So just keep doing this. Comedy in whatever form is a consistent art. You need to keep doing it. You need to keep writing, performing, trying, learning, bombing, and doing well again. But just make sure that plagiarism cannot be tolerated, guys. This is, if nothing else, just out of just respect for the art form, please do not lift off jokes of other comedians, of other people, because everybody puts in a lot of effort in getting a joke across. So as artists, as human beings, legally to chhod do, legally to baad mein. But just morally speaking, just don't do this. Work on it and get your own jokes. Yeah. Thank you.
Just to add to what Pooja said, sick one, guys. Fully, completely killed it. I had a blast. Just a little token of advice that I would like to leave all of y'all with is that the first time I ever did comedy in my life, I was advised by someone who is now a very established comic who told me that you have to do 20 more open mics in your life. Like you have to perform comedy at 20 more rooms. And only then can you decide if or if not this is something that you want to do. And I feel like this applies for everything. So like just keep giving it shots. I have personally performed the same set in 2 different rooms where in one room I killed and then the second one I bombed. So it's comedy is a very subjective thing. It depends on how you're feeling about yourself. It depends on how the audience is feeling. It depends, like there's just too many factors. It's too dynamic. So don't take the results to heart, as Aditi Mittal at mine and Pooja's show very rightfully said, at the end comedy wins. So comedy has won. Have a sick one, guys. Lovely. PSDS, you guys are really, really cute. I am I don't know what other words to use, but I am very impressed by the amount of effort and, just in fact, love that has gone into curating this experience for everyone. I hope you guys had a blast because I certainly did. Thank you.
Go Zainab.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I would like to call upon the Vice President in charge of this event, Mr. Varun Sriram.
Thank you, Ajit. So I am Varun Sriram, Vice Chairperson of Off the Cuff 2021. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our esteemed judges, Zainab Habel and Pooja Natarajan, on behalf of the entire Public Speaking and Debating Society of HR College for taking time out of their busy schedule and gracing this event with their presence. We really appreciate your presence and you not only taking time out for all of us, but also obliging to perform. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards our backbone and the support system, our principal, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani ma'am, for always supporting our endeavors and making sure we all get a platform to live our dreams. I would like to take a moment to thank the reason we all are here, our teacher in charge, Professor Geeta Sahu ma'am. She is the reason PSDS is here today and the best mentor and guide we could have asked for. Without her, Off the Cuff would have been a mere fantasy. We are very grateful to all the participants who intrigued and entertained us and made sure that our Sunday afternoon was well spent. Lastly, I would like to thank the audience for showing such enthusiasm and support and making the second national event of our PSDS magnum opus, Off the Cuff, a national intercollegiate literary event series of HR College, an overwhelming success. Thank you everyone for joining in, and PSDS Off the Cuff will be hosting a myriad of national level events in the coming 2 months. Thank you everyone for joining in and stay tuned to our Instagram page for information about the same. Thank you all and we hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you, Varun. And I think one of the judges mentioned that we are very lucky to have principals and teachers who encourage comedy and who are here. Well, ma'am stayed through the entire event. So I think that is testimony to how lucky we are. We don't have any, jokes to crack on any teacher-related issue because we have the best of the best. So thank you, Pooja ma'am. Thank you, Geeta ma'am. And thank you to the judges. Like the judges mentioned, the judges' speech takes us to the core values that PSDS has, that you just have to come and put yourself out there, winning, losing, secondary, and come and overcome your stage fright, step out of your comfort zone, explore new horizons, which I think each and every one here present today has done in their own way. So I think hats off to all of y'all. Stand up, that too virtually. When you're physically doing, you can see the response from the audience that motivates you. But when everyone's on mute with their little icons, you really can't tell, and you still keep going. I think brilliant job. So thank you to all the participants. Thank you to all the judges. And see you at our Off the Cuff 3rd, 4th, and 5th national events coming soon. And thank you, Pooja ma'am, and thank you, Geeta ma'am.
Thank you to you all for putting in this wonderful program. Now you're making us greedy.
Ma'am, we'll
Completely
deliver.
greedy. So now Danish has to keep a separate show for us. I know he's from, he's now in my eyes. Now Danish has to plan this event.
Definitely.
Yes, yes, yes. The Batman, I remember Media Club. Yes. So wonderful event to the PSDS team. I think your guys are going great. I think the vision of everyone speaking, I think there should be one program only of PSDS core team and the members. It should
Yes,
not happen
ma'am.
that they are sitting and relaxing. They should speak more now. So next event of the cuff, third event should be only members. They do singing, they do comedy, they do speaking, they do essay, debate, whatever they want to do, but they have to do it now. So third is
Done.
for PSDS team.
Yes, ma'am. We
Everybody will
opened
kill.
all events to PSDS
I know
team.
people
So,
will kill me. कि बाहर मिलना बाद में देखेंगे हम लोग.
no, no.
A
Ma'am, what you
little bit
said
of
is
comedy from my side. Chalo,
we
all
have
the
two
best, guys.
pujas. We have two pujas who gave us great comedy then.
Yes, I think you all are doing great job. God bless you. Keep smiling, and keep HR flag high. I think this is what we always believe, that students, when they are here, they should create memories, and when they go out of HR, they should remember those memories. That's what we want in HR.
Yes, ma'am.
I know
I'm sure.
Vanshika is going to keep taking these punchlines of mine and keep quoting somewhere. So all the best to you all for the third event. Looking forward to something very, very unique.
Ma'am, not only me, I think everyone who goes out and if they pursue stand-up comedy, I think Danish or whoever will remember that their principal supported them in
Yeah.
stand-up.
I think even
So I
Varun
think-
even Khatri is from HR.
Yes.
I don't know if he
Khatri.
left.
Yeah,
Tushar
ma'am.
Khatri.
I'm here.
Good, good. So our talent parade team is getting now created. Great. And before choice, what you say, steals them, please give them a nice platform that they never go there. Sorry.
Then we'll provide everyone with a platform.
I know Amit will kill me for this, but when the
I
choice
have
platform is open,
I
people
have
don't-
not had HR internal gossip in so long. This is so much fun for me to listen to how choice steals everyone. I was from RCHR and this was a problem even we used to have. So
Oh, you're from HR, Zainab?
yeah, I did my junior college in HR.
Oh, and now you will be saying, why did I leave first year?
I left. I had to leave after junior college because it was getting really far for me. But I miss HR. It was the best.
Yes, I think good time that you come back here as judge. I think a proud moment that when our own alumni come back. And
It's a proud moment for us, ma'am. For us to go back to our college to judge something is to know that we kind of got where or are getting where we want to. So it's
so
fun.
HR has now become a university where we are being given a status of university by the Maharashtra government. I think a very, very proud moment for all of us, where we want to create newer and newer opportunities for our students, newer and newer courses for our students. And we did try with performing arts, but a little delayed with the admission process because we started afresh. And I'm sure something that stand-up comedy or performing arts is something that we are looking at as a career. And HSNC University is keen, not just in performing arts, but even in dance. Indian classical dances and music is something that we are looking at to give students a career. So hopefully by next year, we'll be more getting those students there.
Inshallah, I hope everything goes well for you guys.
Yes, yes. And I am proud to see my own students, Danish, Varun, and my PSDS team members also doing stand-up comedy, and Zainab doing well. Always welcome in HR or in an offline mode. Anytime you're close to HR, just walk in. Principal room is
thank you
always
so
open
much.
for you.
Thank you so much. Would love to drop by, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Yes, yes. So it doesn't seem like my PSDS team want to leave. I hope there's no special meeting after this. So we want to go for, we should leave.
No, ma'am. We're good to close. We'll have a core company meeting after this in another room.
Yes.
So thank you,
Who was the
everyone.
compare? Debolina was very good, huh?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes,
Debolina,
quite fair
Nandini.
and Nandini. Yes, I missed the name. Yes,
Yeah.
Nandini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you,
And
ma'am.
I think Vidhi was the one who was putting in all the emojis on the screen that she can think of. Looking at her, I felt awkward. I said, "Chalo, let me also put some. She'll feel you alone." But good job, guys. Good job. I think Geeta has been doing wonderful. Your PSDS team, superb.
Ma'am, the entire team has worked very, very hard. Sometimes even putting in all-nighters just so that we could have made this event a grand success.
I thought Varun will do some comedy.
Ma'am.
Varun is sitting in such a professional compartment room. I don't know. Is he in office or at home?
I'm at home, ma'am.
I loved your background. Huh? Completely professional. He's looking like... So I thought he will be cracking some jokes there.
Ma'am, initially I got these books. I just kept it there. I never knew one day I'll be using it as a background.
Oh, so this is only for background?
No. I genuinely read those books, but I wanted to just keep it there after that.
Yes,
Ma'am, he has the whole singing equipment with the mic and all. So I think that's what ma'am means. Varun, you can sing once for that. We love it.
Yes, we should.
Not now. One second, please.
Not now. Definitely.
Today he had a lot of ice creams. Looks like he has got lots of ice creams today. A lovely show. Enjoyed it. God bless you all. I think create memories and remember those memories when you leave HR. Create.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome, dear everyone. God bless you all. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. See you at our next event, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, so congratulations once again, everyone. This was a wonderful event and it just a very, very nice time that I had. I was doing something really urgent that has come up, which I can't tell you all because our FY students are over here. We are in the middle of paper setting and a lot of other things, but yeah, it was a wonderful, wonderful event. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I think it would be apt to say they're in for a blast. Yeah.
So thank you, Geeta ma'am. And I think we can stop going the YouTube live now. Thank you, Tushar. Thank you so much.
Thank you.